Yo guys, what is up? I'll be showing you performance testing using my application over here, which is on port 3000. We're going to be using Apache JMeter, so we'll go on their website and then click this link over here, Apache JMeter 5.6.3 zip. This will download the file. Once it's downloaded, make sure to extract the folder and then click on it. Click on bin, then go to JMeter Windows batch file. Double click that, and this is what it opens up. Now you can right click on this, click add thread users, and click thread group. Now we can right click on thread group, click add sampler and HTTP request. Here we'll be testing one page for load testing or performance testing. Right click on thread group again, click add, listener, view results tree. Okay, so in thread group, you can see we've set our number of threads, which is users, as 1. Well, let's change it to 3. Ramp up period, seconds, we can put that as 3 as well. And then we can loop it 3 times. In HTTP request, here as you can see, we've set our protocol to HTTP. Our server name or IP will be localhost, because currently I'm running my application locally. The port is 3000. The request is get, and then this is the path to my page, which is /image and then the ID, which is what I have over here. Now if I run this in view results tree, as you can see, our tests have looped 3 times, just like we said, and for each time we've got 3 users and all of them have passed. So yeah, that is performance testing using JMeter.